I'm the first generation in my family to go to college and graduate. When I was looking at all the majors that Citrus College offered, I was like, oh, well, they do real estate and they have this program where it's like you can get your license within 3 months. And they also have this architecture program. And I had this vision that became very clear to me about what I wanted to do with my life. And it was just very comforting to know that there was professors here in Citrus College that could support me and pave a path for me I didn't see before. Professor Nick really knew how to engage the students and give us real life scenarios where we could incorporate what we were learning in class to real life situations when we're talking to clients. And we had a volunteer opportunity with the real estate club where we actually took part of this organization, Habitat of Humanity, where we helped develop and build these low-income housings. It was a great opportunity to help other people as well as build myself in the field that I was studying. Real estate was great to me. Really was.